His Excellency, retired President Uhuru Kenyatta's tribute to the family of the late Field Marshal Muthoni wa Kirima, and I'll read. Message of condolence to the family, relatives, and friends of the late Field Marshal Muthoni wa Kirima. I send you this message of condolences from the deepest of my heart. I want to encourage you that even in death, the spirit of the late Field Marshal Muthoni wa Kirima remains alive in all of us. The late Field Marshal Muthoni wa Kirima has left a huge vacuum that will be hard to fill, and certainly not by these few words of my consolation to you as a family. But please be encouraged that my prayers and those of other Kenyans of goodwill will give you the strength and fortitude to cope with the loss for now and the many years to come. Field Marshal Muthoni wa Kirima kana nyina wa thojo was a patriot, a warrior, a true Maumau fighter who was revered for her acts of freedom and courage. Her footprints, especially those molded in the forest, played a crucial role in supporting like-minded leaders in the fight of freeing our country from the colonialists and for Kenyans' rights for political and social freedoms. She remains in our historical annals for her struggle, for her courage, and for her success. She will not only be remembered for her bravery and courage, but also for her grace in the liberation struggle. As a people, we thank God for all our Maumau'S Shujaa freedom fighters for their commitment to liberate this country and bequeath us with a country that we have today. Fare thee well and rest in peace, Maumau'S Shujaa, Field Marshal Muthoni wa Kirima kana nyina wa thojo. Signed, His Excellency Uhuru Kenyatta, CGH, 4th President of the Republic of Kenya, on 7th of September. I thank you.
Asante sana, tupigie former DG makofi. Asante sana, lakini hukufuata maagizo yangu vizuri kabisa upande ya itifaki, lakini ni sawa tu. Tumemaliza hicho kipindi tribute, and now I would like us to go to the next session of speeches by our leaders. We will also try and keep it very short. So when you get an opportunity to speak, please just say what is necessary, and I've already shown you how to do the introductions. So please do not give the entire protocol. So I would like to invite the Speaker of the Nyeri County Assembly, Honorable Gachagua, to come and introduce to us the county leadership, the MCAs present, and take it up from there. Thank you.
Your Excellency, the Deputy President of the Republic of Kenya, our Governor Mutahi Kahiga, all protocols observed. My name is James Gachagua. I am the Speaker, County Assembly of Nyeri. I want to invite all the MCAs quickly. MCAs wote wa Nyeri. Na kama kuna MCA wametoka from other counties, you're also welcome. Mheshimiwa Deputy President, kindly allow me to give this chance to the area MCA, Honorable Gibson Wahinya. He's just signaling that hataki kuongea. Let me just do a quick introduction. Tuko na Mheshimiwa Kameri, Mheshimiwa from Konyo. Tuko na Mheshimiwa Taiti from Mokaro Ward. Mheshimiwa Gibson Wahinya, yeye ndiye MCA wa hapa. Tuko na Mheshimiwa Kareithi wa Wamboi, nominated MCA. There are 2 MCAs. Kindly. Huh? MCAs from Machakos County. Useme tu jina tafadhali.
To the Deputy President, Wiper Party Leader, former Vice President, I'm Anastasia Mutevu from Machakos County Assembly, Wiper Party. Condolences to the family.
Tupigie makofi mwingine.
All protocol observed. Catherine Che from Machakos County, Wiper Party.
Mheshimiwa Deputy President, tasema tu just maneno mawili. Ya kwanza, today we are enjoying the freedom that the late Field Marshal Muthoni fought for, and that freedom ndio ilifanya tuweze kuchagua wewe na Mheshimiwa William Samoei Ruto mwaka jana wakati kulikuwa na uchaguzi. Article 32(1) of the Constitution gives us that freedom of religion, and most importantly, freedom of opinion. Nimeona Mheshimiwa Kalonzo na timu yake wako hapa. Mheshimiwa Kalonzo, tunakupenda sana, lakini we beseech you that you join the government, kwa sababu 2027 utanyoroshwa na serikali ya Rigathi Gachagua na William Samoei Ruto. 2032 utanyoroshwa na Mheshimiwa Rigathi Gachagua. Asanteni sana. May God bless you.
Asante sana of kunyoroshwa and other stories. Let us move on to the next step. I would now like to invite, but before I invite them, I would like to recognize all our former MCAs, former MPs. Ulisimama kula ikakosa kutosha hapa Nyeri, and you are here. I can see very many of them. Kama ulikuwa unasimama governor, MCA, MP, nyinyi ni viongozi wetu, si ndio? Tafadhali simameni, we recognize you, tuwapigie makofi. Naona mko wengi hapa. Former na wale walisimama kura ikakosa kutosha, tuwapigie makofi, ni viongozi wetu, tunawapenda na asanteni sana kwa kuja kukaa nasi. We are always very happy to see you every time we are meeting. At this juncture, I would think I would move on to the next group, which is basically the members of the National Assembly, and I would do it in 2 lots. All members of parliament ambao hawajatoka Nyeri, sio ubaguzi, naomba tu ili tuende haraka haraka. Kama wewe ni mgeni wetu leo, haujatoka hapa Nyeri, nimeona kuna kadhaa, tafadhali kujeni hapa ili niwajulishe. Alafu mtakubali mama yetu Jane Kihara aseme jambo moja kwa niaba ya hawa wametoka nje ya Nyeri. Marian, Toto, naona daktari pale na wengine, tafadhali kujeni tafadhali. Asanteni sana kwa kutembea kwetu Nyeri.